Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted, never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free start from down below. Feel free to hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, full of value, full of gems, change your whole perspective on the market. So let's go ahead and dive in it, share with you guys exactly what's going on, how to prepare, how to stay cautious, aim small, miss small. Don't do what your boy did yesterday. I went a little more aggressive on First Republic, being for the fact that even if bad earnings came out, which they beat expectations by 45%, but where they went wrong at is a lot of customers is pulling their money out of the banks, which I already knew. Go back to the videos. I already been telling you guys this. Over $100 billion. I don't think you heard me. Over $100 billion has been pulled out of this bank, guys. And this is going to be a domino effect. You're hearing it here first. Once it start happening, even before this came out, I already told you guys this was about to happen. These banking crisis, banking fears, hyperinflation, things skyrocketing up, all this stuff is about to occur. It's about to happen. The dollar is losing its value faster than ever. We already at 96, 97% in the value of the dollar gone. A dollar now today, back in 1913, now has a purchasing power of 4 cents. So your dollar has lost over 96 cents. That's what 96% means. And you only have 4 cents left to lose the rest of it in the next 24 months, probably 18, probably 12 months. So you already know that's not to put too much fear out there, scare you, anything like that. Because as we know, you got to get that crypto, because like I told you guys, these businesses want to implement strategies to where they're only accepting cryptocurrency. If you don't have cryptocurrency, you got to go to your bank, the ATM machine, the Bitcoin machine, convert your American money over to cryptocurrency, and then purchase whatever it is that you're purchasing. These companies now want to accept assets as an exchange, even exchange. They're giving you value, they're giving you product or whatever it is, but in return, you're giving them depreciating liability, which is the American dollar. But if they convert that over to cryptocurrency and exchange, now you're giving them appreciating asset, which is cryptocurrency. Run that back so you can really understand what I was saying. But anyways, as we take a look, guys, the Dow falls on banking fears as First Republic crashes 30%. So as you know, your boy was wrong. Let's holler it out through the rooftop. Whenever you right, you up there, you right, this, that, and third. We've been right a lot. 1 week, 100% guarantee every play we called out. Last week, only one play was wrong. Everything else 100%. This week, okay, we got something wrong. We need to make sure we loud about it, just as we loud about everything else. Your boy was definitely wrong. I definitely expected First Republic Bank, being for the fact that it was in that consolidation period between $12 and $14 for over a month now, weeks. And it came from what? The 60, 70, 80, $100 range. It crashed over 80% whenever the banking crisis hit on the other couple weeks ago, whenever 150 banks was at they was on edge of crashing as well. So we already knew, guys, but I did expect it to break through 1560-ish resistance, and if it would have broke through that, this thing was going straight to 30. It was shooting up just as much as it shot down. It was shooting up to $24, $25 with ease. But anyways, we got opposite reaction. As we know, earnings could go either way. Good earnings reported, the stock could tank. Bad earnings reported, the stock could go up. Bad earnings, the stock could still go down. Good earnings, it could go up. Either way, we know that. So anyways, if we take a look, guys, the Dow Jones average dropped Tuesday morning as a busy week of the first quarter earnings reports gather momentum. Shades of the March banking panic flared as the First Republic Bank, FRC, crashed after reporting $72 billion plunge in total deposits during the first quarter. Meanwhile, tech giants Google, Alphabet, Microsoft will report late Tuesday. So we know after the bill, Google, Microsoft, they'll be reporting earnings as well, which is going to cause a major frenzy on the market. Those big juggernauts definitely have its dictation to, make it the market go in a specific direction. So anyways, if we go ahead and take a further look, guys, we did call out Bed Bath & Beyond. It's pretty much in the same position. Let me not speak too soon. It's riding. It's starting to ride. We starting to ride. At least we can make up for something. But anyways, yeah, we 1-for-1 right now. Bed Bath & Beyond about to turn out to be a pretty solid play for us. And FRC was bad. But I love the fact that VIP, I love y'all. I love y'all to death. Everyone, the longer you're in there, the more you start to understand how I think, the way I move and all that, and you're able to take on more decisions for yourself. Some plays you're sitting on the sidelines like, I ain't gonna take that one, Hayes. Some plays, you're doing your thing. And some actually betted against FRC First Republic. Shout out to you. Forgot exactly who it was, and made 85%. I love it. I love it to death, guys. That's what you call great thinking, great good stuff, good stuff. So anyways, FRC sitting at 1143, guys. Another piece of information: if I'm down, if it gaps down the way it did due to earnings, I'm cool with just losing the whole thing. I was down 94% this morning. Nas down 96%. Only got $56 left. Down over $1,400. Why would I sell for $56? I go wipe your butt with that stock market. If I'd rather just hold this whole week. And sometimes I done seen it happen more times than not. Not saying that this is going to happen. Hopefully it does though. I'm cool with just taking this L. But if instead of selling it for that a little bit of value that's left, I'd rather just hold it. And it could potentially, even though it's going to lose to DK by the end of the week, due to the Greeks, I could still potentially get a few $100s back off of this if we get that reversal. Because as of now, it's at 1140 and it's been stagnant. Like it barely wants to drop anymore. Because they know if it's okay, if y'all dropping it, let it drop then. But now they don't want to drop it no more because they know shorts is all over it and trying to, reap the benefits from it continuously to fall. That's why I do believe a pop could happen, because if it just continues to fall, that's easy money for the shorts. It's already down over 28%, but who knows? It could definitely continue to come down, but I wouldn't, it ain't much more you could take from me in this position. So I would just let this one ride out. So you already know, guys, but if I had time to get out before the tragedy, I would have cut losses at around 30%. But that happened overnight when them gaps happening. That's why earnings is very dangerous, and you want to aim small, miss small. Put in a small amount, because a small amount could turn into a large amount, but a large amount could turn into a small amount, guys. If it don't make sense, one day it will. So anyways, you already know what to do. Catch me over at BBY. Y'all already know I love y'all. Out, and God bless y'all.